Hi, my name is Sara. I'm from HAIRSTYLING Zurich, and today I'm going to show you how to perform a blonde toning service with Topchic Zero on my beautiful model Sandra. I'm going to use Structure Equalizer for best color deposit. To achieve a beautiful, shiny and cool toned hair color, I'm going to use 9V and Clear by Topchic Zero with 3% System Lotion. Once I applied the color mask to the roots, I always like to massage it through the mid-length and ends, just to get the full caring benefits of Topchic Zero. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and if you want to learn more about Topchic Zero, check out the other videos.